Hi guys, it's VB. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get the spring eye look using the Morphe 15H Happy Hour palette. Hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you.
Do you remember how you held me then? Now you got me reaching out. And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out. Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, how long do I got to keep you, to keep you? Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, trying so hard not to keep you, to keep you. How long do I got to keep you, to keep you? Trying so hard not to keep you, to keep you. Do you remember how you held me then? Now you got me reaching out, yeah. And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out. Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, how long do I got to keep you, to keep you? Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, trying so hard not to keep you, to keep you. How long do I gotta keep you?
And this right here is our final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you guys leave and hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified when I upload. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Thank you.
And do you see you You got me falling in more times than I can get out.
And remember, feel nothing less than what you are.
Down in the deep.